Hey everyone, welcome back to new video. If you want the Apple logo to appear like this on your screen whenever you type Apple in the keyboard or in any app, then this video is for you. Watch this entire video to know everything, how you can exactly replace the text Apple for the Apple logo. For that I have one link down in the description box. Just go and open that link, and wherever you will find the Apple logo, just do one thing, copy that logo. Just copy that logo. This will be useful ahead. And once you have copied, it's okay, you can open settings, but if you don't want to follow the link, you can also tap on the browser Apple text symbol. Now go into settings and write keyboard and click the third option, click on text replacement, and after you click on text replacement, click here on plus, and on the phrase paste the Apple logo. Once you have pasted, on the optional part right here Apple, make sure you don't have any space or else this notification will appear. Write Apple and click on save. Once you have clicked on save, now let's just test this out. Now go back to the settings in the search bar and write here Apple. Once you write Apple, the Apple logo is going to appear. You can now use this in any of the app you want. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video for the ones who need it, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. Bye bye.